Okay, the goal of this little activity is just to show you what we mean by cosine and sine. That's it. So the idea is we put in an angle and then we read off the x and y coordinates. So for example, if I want the angle to be, say, 70 degrees, like this, I can see I'm way up like this. I can see if I'm going to guess at this, it looks to me like what, 10, 20, 30, maybe the x is about 0.35, the y looks to be about 0.9 something. But if I really want to find out, I'm just going to go click on the point. I get 34294. 34294. So here I'm going to add a note. Actually, well, let me click on the point so I can keep it there. Yeah. All right, I'm going to add a note right here. And what I wanted again, 34294. So what I want to be able to say when we went on an angle of 70 degrees, the x coordinate was 0.342. And when we went 70 degrees, the y coordinate, you see I'm not writing y coordinate, I'm just writing sine, equals 0.94. So that's all we did is we just went to the right spot, we read off the x coordinate, we read off the y coordinate. Let's try this again. What if I want, instead of going 70, I go something like negative 160. You can see I'm way over here now because I went backwards 160 degrees. I'm going to click on this. Wait, actually, before I click, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks to me like the x coordinate is about negative 0.92. The y coordinate looks to be about negative, I don't know, 0.35. Let's click on this. Yes. Oh boy, same numbers. This is not good. Anyway, so that's where I dragged it. I'm stuck with it. So what do I want to be able to say? I want to say the x coordinate is negative 0.94. So I'm going to add a note so I can do this. I'm going to say the cosine of negative 160 was negative 0.94, and the y coordinate at that same point was equal to negative 0.342. Let's do this a couple more times. If I want to type in a number instead of 160, how about if I try to end up over here someplace by going a positive angle? So how about negative 165, like that? Nope, too far. How about a positive 165? Yeah, that's better, right? So you can see I'm way over here. It looks to me like the x coordinate is about negative 0.96. The y coordinate is about negative 0.25. I click on it like this. I get 966,259. So I'm going to try to come over here. I'm going to add a note, and I'm going to say the cosine of 165. Remember, that's the x coordinate. I'm just going to go over here, read off the x coordinate again, because I forgot already, is negative 0.966, which is about what we guessed. The y coordinate there, you'll notice I'm typing the sine of 165, but I'm saying the y coordinate there, I think it looked about 0.25. What is it really? 0.259. So finding x and y coordinates actually is exactly the same as what we mean when we're trying to just estimate the cosine and the sine. We're going to have to get very good at this. So practice, practice, practice.